we will pick up right where we left off on last video. I got the bricks painted and I started leveling out, but we have an issue over here. I'll show you. I went back to Home Depot, got some more bricks, threw some paint on them so they're ready to go. But yep, my issue when I started to level this one out, I ran into this huge boulder right here. Now I got to try to dig it out so I could get this level. I found a claw hammer, does a great job on digging around rocks. Yeah, I still promise back in the day, they farmed the rocks here on this property because they are everywhere. I don't know how they grew them, but somebody had a good business of growing rocks. But stuff like this sure does slow down the process of getting this leveled out. Taking the wheelbarrow up the hill where I stashed this leftover dirt from leveling out the new wood yard. I built this sifter a while ago, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it over my wheelbarrow. I'm gonna get some of this leftover fill dirt I used to fill in the mini crater, and I'm gonna sift it out, get all the rocks out, and use this to level out those bricks. Should make the process a little easier. I hope so. So we'll try to break this dirt up, get the rocks out, then keep doing this until I get a decent amount of dirt that I can use down the hill. Guess I'll just sit back here for now. Let's just repeat the process. It's almost like I built this to fit on the wheelbarrow. That was some luck. Worked out perfect. So that's some good looking fill dirt. Or some good looking leveling dirt. Let's take this back down the hill. Get back to it. I added a little bit of dirt. Now just trying to level it out. See if I can get these pallets to line up. Let's see. Not trying to be too precise, but trying to get it in the bubble. And that'll be my top cap. Let's see where we're at. How's that looking? What do y'all think? Would you leave it? Let's go ahead and get my other brick in. And my other top brick. See, the cinder blocks work out perfect. Nice. This fill dirt is working out great to level these out. I think that this first one right here, I think this woodshed is a wrap. Got it all leveled up. Those cinder blocks are working out great. I still got to come back and do the middle section here, but that's going to be easy. I don't really have to level it, just give it some support. But that's looking a lot better with the cinder block idea instead of 14 or 16 bricks stacked right there. I like that idea a lot better. Then of course, got a bunch more rocks I had to dig up out of this side, but I got that side leveled out. But yeah, she is not dead perfect. I don't know if you could see that, but I mean, it's in the line. I think for a woodshed, it's going to be great. Now, let me finish these center pieces, and we'll attach these 4x4 posts. I might have to slide this pallet back just a hair so I can get some room to see. I got my bottom 3/8 4-inch lag bolt started. We'll get this lined up. Get it started. And I'll get my top one in. Alright, now that one's started. Now let me get my top one in. Would definitely be easier with a pair of hands. All right. Now, let me go back to the bottom one. I hope this don't go nowhere. I'm gonna finish by hand tightening them up, so I make sure I don't strip them out. Now let's take this lag bolt, and this is going to be the side that joins them together. Now, got that started. Let me get the other side started, then I could push these together. Oh, move my bricks. Oh yeah. All right, let me tighten these up. There we go. It's finally coming together. It's starting to look more like a woodshed. Get it started. See if I can find that top bolt. All right. Let's go back to the bottom. Yeah, and see on the bottom, on the back, I left it flat so it's snug up against here, but I rounded this all the way down just to give it a different look. Once again, let me get this lined up. I guess it seems to work good to hold it on my shoulder. Get it lined up. All right, I got it started. Oh, don't move. That's scary. See if I can get this on the top one. I have less ground clearance on this side. There we go. Get back to the bottom. This one looks like it twisted a little. Alright, so like I said, seems to work to throw it up on my shoulder. Got my holes. Start with my bottom hole first. I got that started. Now, roll it up. Let's get that top one in. maybe I should have went ahead and just drilled the bottom holes out to 1/2 inch also. So if y'all ever do this with a 3/8 lag and you want tiny wiggle room, do a 1/2 inch hole. I think on the future ones, that's what I'm gonna do. All right, let's try the shoulder trick again. Yeah, that seems to work better. Go back to the bottom. My vision's coming together, finally. It's getting to be something. How do you like it? So don't worry. I left these a little loose because I want to run some 2x4s across the top right here. And that'll sure it up a little bit. I'm gonna do that on each one. Then when I get that done, I'll tighten it down. And then I plan on running 2x4s down the side, then eventually get a roof on top. I'm still looking around on Facebook Marketplace to see if I can find some metal for the roofing. The look continues. While editing this video up, I realized it's going to run way long if I add the roof build in with it. But I did get everything leveled out, got the post up. Let me show you that real quick. The firewood sheds are really taking shape. Got everything leveled out, the post installed. As you see, I got some roofing pieces cut out, but that'll be for the next video. I got it measuring about 3 foot in the middle here. That'll give me some elbow room when I'm carrying wood, and I can get my wheelbarrow through here. Well, thank y'all for checking out the leveling process and installing the post. Next week, we'll get the roof done. But until then, I hope y'all have a blessed week, and I'll catch you on the next episode.